Good day. Welcome to Echoes of English. My name is Jeremy. Once we know the alphabet, we can proceed to spelling words. Spelling is an important skill used to communicate information. Let's spell a few words together. The alphabet in action. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Happy. 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 Sun. 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 Can you spell your name? My name is Jeremy. 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 Can you spell English? English. English. Spelling is an important skill to master. If this resonates with you, subscribe to Echoes of English, uniting hearts and minds.